Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. If you're looking out for a simple, creamy recipe with chicken, I have something perfect for you, which is the Malabar chicken curry. First, we need to roast a tablespoon of coriander seeds. So I'm going to be roasting them on a very low flame till they release an aroma. The color of the coriander has turned slightly brown. Let's add a few spices and some red chilies. So here I'm adding about 10 red chilies, 1 inch of cinnamon, 4 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. I'm going to roast this till the chilies get a little crisp and the color changes to a little darker red. I'm getting a lovely aroma of the spices and the chilies have also turned crisp and I've got a lovely deep red. Let's switch off the flame and grind this to a nice paste. Let's add a little water to this. Our paste is ready. Here I have half a kg of chicken which I'm going to marinate with this paste. I'm going to keep this aside for at least half an hour. And while this is getting marinated, I'm going to make my coconut paste. Let's heat a tablespoon of coconut oil. The oil is hot. Let's add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds have spluttered, I'm going to roast 1 cup of fresh coconut that I've grated to a lovely brown color. The coconut has browned beautifully. I'm going to shut the flame and add a teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this. While we're waiting for the coconut to just cool down, let's prepare the gravy. For that, I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to add 1 inch of crushed ginger and 5 cloves of garlic that I have crushed and just saute this for a minute or 2. Here I have 1 large onion that I have finely chopped. We're going to add this and saute this till it's nice and translucent. The onions have turned soft and pink. Time to add 1 large tomato, finely chopped. And now we're going to cook this till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. The tomatoes are slightly done. Let's add half a cup of water to this and cover this and cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes. This coconut mixture has also cooled down. Let's remove this and grind it to a fine paste. The coconut paste is ready as well. The tomatoes have cooked as well. Let's add a sprig of curry leaves to this. About 3 green chilies that I have finely chopped. And we're going to fry this for a minute. Time to bring back the chicken in the frame and just add it to the onion tomato gravy. Now on a high flame, I'm going to sear this chicken for 2 to 3 minutes. The color of the chicken has changed. Time to add a teaspoon of garam masala powder, the coconut paste, mix it well. Add half a liter of water to this. We'll add some salt, give it a good stir and cover this and cook till the chicken is done. So while the chicken is getting cooked, we're going to prepare a lovely crispy tempering for this. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Here I have 5 pearl onions which I have sliced. We're going to fry this till they're nice, golden and crisp. The onions have got fried nice and crisp. I'm going to shut the flame and add a few curry leaves. And now we'll wait for the chicken to get done. Let's check if the chicken is cooked. The meat is off the bone. Let's add a cup of coconut milk to this. This will give a lovely creamy texture to your curry. I'm going to switch off the flame and garnish it with this tempering that we did with the onions. Let's remove this in a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish this with some fried onions, some finely chopped fresh coriander, and a curry leaf. And our Malabar chicken curry is ready to be served. You can serve it with paratha or rice or any bread of your choice. You saw what a quick and easy recipe this is. Do try this, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.